Hey Tube, this video is on how to make your iPhone still give you message tones even if you have your Apple Watch silenced. This has been bothering me for quite a while, and ever since the Apple Watch came out, because I used to miss a lot of text messages because I never felt the little tap. Now, yes, I know that we can not silent the watch, but I just didn't like the little ting sound, and they haven't changed it since the original Apple Watch. It's the same ting sound, and it drives me insane because all your notifications will come in with the same sound, and I just didn't like it, but I didn't know how to fix it. And recently, it's been causing me a lot of issues as well, just missing text messages. The other thing is, if you have your phone set up to have different text tones for different people, which I do, then it's kind of, a pain. You never get to hear them anyway, because if you have your watch, your Apple Watch, that is, on silent mode, that you'll just feel the tap, which I never feel the tap unless I'm literally not doing anything, just like totally sitting still, then I never feel it. So basically, if you found yourself in this video is to help you figure out how to do that. And again, with regard to, if you didn't know, you can set up in different text tone sounds for specific people, which I just find useful, because then you'll know right away who that sound is. You'll know who's messaging you. If it's just a general one, like I have mine like on Jingle Bells right now, it's just some, like Santa sleigh bells, whatever, for everybody. And then specific people, I have different tones, so I know who's actually messaging me. If I'm somewhere in the house, whatever, and I can still hear my phone, I know it's, my buddy Adam or whoever. So if you're tired of that same scenario, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Just go into your Apple Watch and then go down to Messages. And you see up here where mine is selected Custom, and I have below that, when you select Custom, it gives you the three below it. So before I had Mirror My Phone, and you see how it takes everything away. Well, I hit Custom, and then I tapped on Notifications Off. So what does that do? Basically, now your watch will never get you won't get a tap or a sound if you had your sounds on anytime you get a message. That doesn't mean that you won't get the messages still to your watch, because you still will. You just won't feel that you got it. Now, if your phone is within the vicinity of you and it's not silenced, you're going to hear your phone make a sound like we used to get, which I prefer. I like to just know I'm getting a message. I want to hear it rather than feel the stupid tap, and I don't really like the watch little ting sound that it makes. So this is all you have to do to fix that. And like I said, you'll still get messages to your watch and to your phone, but your phone now will make the sound. And literally that's all you had to do to fix that. And now you'll get sounds for your phone every time somebody sends you a message. Also, the only issue I could see happening is if you're far away from your phone, right, and you can't hear the message. That doesn't bother me, and the reason why is I never really feel the tap anyway on my watch. And sometimes I'll leave my phone in the house, like if I'm doing stuff around the house outside or whatever, just so I don't screw up my phone. And you won't get that tap anymore or a ting sound if you have your notification sounds on your watch. But at the end of the day, it doesn't bother me as much, because those are very rare instances. I mean, like right now, it's winter where I live here in New England, and I'm not doing a lot of yard work and stuff like that. It's basically just maybe snow blowing when the snow comes and stuff like that. But I don't mind missing. First of all, I wouldn't feel it anyway. If I'm out there snow blowing or whatever, that's the problem. I never feel this the tap on my wrist. I don't know why. It's not prominent enough. I feel like it should have been like a vibration, like bzzz or something like that, because I would feel that. Like anytime I use on the watch the like a timer feature, when the timer's up, it just keeps going bzzz, 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 vibrating. You can totally feel that. I wish they switched the text messages to that, where you'd feel like this one long bzzz, because I would feel that. But I never feel this, just this little tap, and then that's it. And if you didn't feel it, you're missing all your text messages anyway. So what's the point? Now, as you see here, I am at custom and notifications off. You can still go into your Apple Watch, tap on the messages icon, and you'll see any missed messages right in there, and you can read them and so on and so forth. Or when you come back into the house, you can look, the next time you look at your phone, you'll see that you've missed some text messages. So to me, this is like the best way to use it now, just for me. And anybody else that found themselves here because they're frustrated with how this whole thing worked, and like I said, it drove me absolutely insane. So that's why I wanted to switch it. Again, you just go into here. You're in the Apple Watch, as you can see on top, and you just come back down, go into messages, and it brings you right to here. Like I said, I had mine on mirror my iPhone, which, if my phone was silent, then the watch is silent. But I don't usually have my phone on silent because I like to hear if I'm getting a phone call or whatever. Right now, if you look up at the clock, you see I have notifications off, and that's only because I'm making this video, so that way nobody can send me a message or interrupt me with a phone call while I'm trying to make this. And as soon as I'm done making the video, I'll turn that off. But that's all I got, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. If this has frustrated you as much as it has me, I don't know why Apple hasn't done something to fix this, since the first Apple Watch came out. Right now, the Apple Watch that I have is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Works great, whatever, but it works exactly the same as the original watch that I bought. And it's just, like I said, it's just something I wish that they would have fixed themselves. But that's all I got, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to me on YouTube. Leave a message in the comments. Please like the video, and you can share it as well if you want to. Liking the video just helps YouTube share it to other people that may be interested in this. Comment just goes between you and me, and if you want to subscribe to get more information, that's fine. If you don't, I understand. And other than that, hope everybody has happy holidays, because Christmas is almost here if you celebrate that. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, YouTube.